If you've ever wished your phone could walk, talk, or actually interact with you, well, meet Looi. It's not just a cute little robot, it's a walking, talking, AI-powered robot sidekick designed to turn your smartphone into a fully animated, highly expressive desktop companion. So in full transparency, this product was sent to me for free in the purpose of making this video. So today we're going to be diving in deep into, well, Looi the robot. What can it do, who's it for, and most importantly, is it worth it? Tangible Future believes that sci-fi should not be confined to the virtual world. Tangible Future aims to create real-life experiences that meet the imagination of every inventor, explorer, and former child. Looi is the brainchild of a team of former Google, Apple, and NASA engineers. At its core, it's a robot base station that turns your smartphone into an expressive AI robot. The phone becomes the face, while the body provides wheels, sensors, gestures, and interactive motion. Think of Looi as a Pixar character that can follow you around the room, wave at you, and even cheer you up when you're feeling down.
Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything.
All powered by AI. The magic happens in the Looi app, which leverages your phone's front camera, speakers, and processing power to create an emotionally intelligent assistant that's, well, it's kind of like a cross between WALL-E and ChatGPT. So let's talk design. Looi is lightweight, compact, and crafted with a fun, friendly look that appeals to both adults and kids. The robot has a 3-wheel setup and a smooth 360-degree mobility, an adjustable phone holder, and a base filled with sensors to detect obstacles and motion. Setup is incredibly simple. Pop your smartphone into the dock, launch the Looi app, and within seconds your phone has eyes, expressions, and an animated personality. It's compatible with both iPhone and Android, and even has a USB-C pass-through charging port so you don't drain your phone while it's in use. Physically, it's very well built. The plastic is premium, the wheels are silent, and the magnetic connectors feel snappy and secure. It's also surprisingly compact. It fits right on your desk or nightstand without taking up too much real estate. So what sets Looi apart from its AI-driven personality? Well, it's more than just a display with eyes. It uses facial animation and voice interaction to express curiosity, empathy, humor, and even mild sarcasm.
Oh, come on. I'm just trying to lighten the mood. If there's anything else I can do for you, just let me know.
Thanks to LLM integration, Looi can respond to questions, hold short conversations, play trivia, tell jokes, and even give motivational pep talks when you need them. You can set it to active companion mode where it will greet you when you walk by, offer weather updates, or remind you to stay hydrated. Or you can let it idle as a silent desk buddy that comes to life when needed. Honestly, it's kind of addictive. The way Looi tracks your movement, nods, or reacts with those big animated eyes, it's like having a tiny cartoon friend on your desk. Like this is cool. So with the camera, using the motion sensor, when you have the video camera on, it does follow your movements. So how does Looi actually fit into your day? For productivity, it can sit next to your laptop, relay notifications, transcribe voice notes, and even run timers or to-do lists hands-free.
I've set a reminder for you to make that delicious apple pie. Get ready to enjoy some tasty goodness later.
For kids, it becomes an interactive storyteller, playing games, and even teaching basic STEM concepts. For companionship, Looi shines. It can respond to emotional cues, check in with you, and even simulate empathy with tone and facial animations.
Hi Adam, I am Looi. I am an intelligent life form created by Tangible Future Corporation. Just say hey Looi anytime you need me.
There's even a feature where Looi can roll around and follow you like a tiny puppy. It's equal parts adorable and futuristic. So I've been using it mainly as a productivity companion, and I've got to say it's way more fun getting a reminder from a waving robot than a boring calendar ping. Of course, no product is perfect. Loooi's biggest limitation right now is dependence on your smartphone. If you get a call or need your phone for something, Looi goes offline. Voice recognition is really good. Sometimes it lags if your internet connection isn't that solid. It's also more of a home companion than a serious assistant. You're not necessarily going to be replacing Alexa or Google Assistant here, but honestly, that's not the point. Looi is about joy, personality, and interaction, and it nails those things. So how much does all this futuristic cuteness cost? Oh, Looi is currently priced at $199 USD, and in my opinion, that's a solid value for what you're getting. Motion tracked interaction, AI driven personality, and a robotic platform that turns your phone into a living companion. So if you're into tech and you want a unique productivity buddy, or if you've got kids who love robots, Looi is absolutely worth checking out. It's fun, it's emotional, and adds a spark of personality to your daily routine. If you are interested in learning more or grabbing Looi for yourself, we are going to be leaving a link in the description below. Just head on over there, leave a comment on what your favorite feature was, share this with a friend who you think would love Looi, hit that like button, and of course subscribe for more great reviews like this.